Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting this aesthetic seascape. First, we need to divide our sheet into two equal parts, one for the sky and one for the sea. For the sky, I'll be covering up the whole area with a pastel purple kind of shade. I made this shade by taking a good amount of white and then some purple into it. On my dry brush, I took some ultramarine blue and I'm blending it on the top area of the pastel purple. Make sure that your brush is dry, otherwise the blending won't look this smooth. Also, when you apply the purple paint, make sure it is a very thick and creamy coat. It helps you while you blend other colors onto the surface. If the brush becomes too dry, you can add a tinge of water only to the tip of the brush. Similarly, I'm adding more ultramarine blue shades towards the other parts of the pastel purple sky. Next, I have taken white paint for painting some clouds. The clouds in white also can be painted like we did the blue shades. Here I'll be applying different techniques to make clouds which fit onto the surface. Here I added some white paint onto the surface with a mop brush and I tried to blend them with my fingers in small circular motions. Here on the other side, I'm adding white paint just like we added the blue areas. That is the dry brushing technique. Just simply take small tinges of white paint and add it at random spaces. After one layer dries up, we can add more layers of white to make it look brighter. Like here, I'm adding the second layer of white, and as you can see, it looks way brighter than the first layer we added. For the second layer, I'm using a relatively thinner size brush. Now at the center, I'm painting a small circle using white paint. This serves as our sun. Now with the same thin tip brush, around this white circle, I'll be adding some more circular strokes with lemon yellow. You can also use a mixture of lemon yellow and white. After that, using a semi-wet brush, just brush over the yellow paint so that it blends a little with the purple in the background. And I added some white stars in the sky with a thin size detail brush. You can use size 0 up to size 000. For the sea area, I'm directly using purple. Now with the pastel purple which we had made for the sky, somewhere around the center area of the sea, I'm blending it onto the surface. With very soft strokes, just keep brushing randomly. Now, I'll be creating two waves. Now for the first wave, I added some bushy kind of structures using the same pastel purple which we had used for the sky. And between the small area which is between the two waves, I added some lines using the lighter shade. Now for the lighter reflections on the waves, I'll be adding lighter shades mainly towards the center where the reflection of the sun comes. So I'm adding reflections with a thin size brush with very light strokes using the same pastel purple. Make sure you're not applying a lot of pressure on your brush, otherwise the lines won't come thin. And when the lines are thin, they just look nice. Keep adding white to the wave fronts to make them look brighter. The sky looked kind of dull, so I'm adding some purple clouds as well. For the purple clouds, I'm applying the same technique which we had done for the blue clouds. Once again adding some white highlights to the wave fronts. As you can see, I wait a little before adding new highlights. That is because I want the first layer to dry up and then I add consecutive layers. I'm using ultramarine blue from the sides to create some darker waves. Once again using a thin tip brush with very light strokes and pressure. And moreover, towards the center, I added some reflections using lemon yellow to make them a little brighter. For some glittery effect, I'm once again creating some starry dots on the seascape, mainly towards the center because that's where the sun reflection comes. Peel the masking tape off after your painting has completely dried up. Here you are with your aesthetic seascape painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.